Hi mga lalab! Dito na ako sa bahay. Nagmamadali ako kasi umuulan. Nabasa ako pero nag-half body ako. Hindi ko lang binasa yung aking kilay. Kasi may gagawin ako mamaya kay Bana. Okay pa ba to? So, yung ulam namin is isda. Tapos, rice. At saka vegetables. Ito lang na isda. Minarinate ko siya sa sarili kong kaalaman. So, antayin natin si Bana, si Sophia. Umuulan siya. Nabasa ako ba? As in, super nabasa ako. Lagyan ko pa ng maraming butter. Masarap ang butter, guys. Wala, ubos na. Yan. Salamat pala dun sa lahat na nanood ng aking vlog. Yung about sa hindi na kami kayang suportaan ni Bana. True yun. Naghihirap na kami. My goodness. Naghihirap na. So, ito yung isda. Sana magustuhan to ni Sophia. Ayan. Ayan. So, ito yung in-order ko sa H&M. And, bubuksan natin siya. Ito ay mga lingerie ko, no? Lingerie or piyama or tawag yung pantulog or ganon. So, tignan natin. Ilang piraso ba in-order ko? Umorder ako ng 4 na piraso. So, if flashback natin to kay Bana, no? Flashing with my husband yung gagawin natin. So, titignan natin kung ano yung magiging reaction ni Bana sa aking mga susuotin. Hindi siya gaanong madami. Ayun lang. Wala ngang itim kasi walang size ko eh. Kaya ito lang siya. So, tignan natin kung ano ang magiging reaction ni Bana. So, after dinner, gagawin ko to kasi maganda yung araw. Tapos, hindi ko na kailangan mag-ilaw. Andito din si Sophia. So, si Bana kasi uupo sa sala. So, kaya, gagawin natin tong flashing with my husband using this mga lingerie or pangkatulog man sa Bisaya pero sa Tagalog. Sa mga basta piyama na lang para madali. Kayo na lang mag-adjust. Kung alam nyo ano yung ibig ko sabihin, sulat palihog sa baba, nakalimutan ko, pampatulog. Pampatulog is pinapatulog mo, diba? Basta, yun. So, etong 4. So, tignan natin later. Pero si Bana, alam niyo, wa-effect yan. Pero, tignan natin, ha? See you! OMG. Super laki. It's a failure. Large. Super laki naman. Ate na iba. Large at ito lahat. Sige, alpa. Palpak, sexy sana kaso palpak. Dada, look. Sit down there. I'm not yet finished. Sit down there. Di nakapag-antay. He came here.
Sophia. Go to sleep.
Good. Go. Go there. Flushing. Una-una.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Look at Dada. Sus, akong anak. What? Yeah. Look, she was also. Look at the Dada.
Yeah.
Wait.
So,
You want also? Oh, Mama flushing. This nice, this one? No, do not touch, huh? Dada cannot touch, Mama. Yeah, but this one is different too. Do not touch, ba?
right, you're my property.
I like this one. Okay, go to Dada. Look at Dada. Flashing. Uy, ang ganda nito. I love this one. Diba? Don't touch, Gane. Do not touch me.
Touch you for what? My property.
This one I get, Dada, yeah?
Why? You didn't even wear the other one.
Which other one?
Grey one.
No, that's for winter. It's not summer.
Summer's almost over.
So I don't need this? This is what you like, right? Now, do not cover Dada's reaction now. What's Dada's reaction?
Sophia, go to sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah. What you got on?
This is normally for Mama, but it's too big, the large.
How?
I don't know.
You got a big belly, so it should fit.
Silicone. It's so nice, this
You
one.
can adjust the straps.
No, it's still very
And
good.
this one.
No, it's still very good. Yeah?
Is this what you got from here?
Yeah, but I hope
That you're going to send back?
And this one?
When are you going to wear it? Because you're always with her.
When I'm with you?
Let's see. Once in every year?
So, what's Dada's reaction? Just tinan mo yung mata, oh. Sexy? My sexy? You never saw me wearing like this.
Because you never bought anything like that.
It's my first time.
10 years too late.
10 years too late. Never too late. See my cleavage? Cleavage.
Hey, my eyes only.
Okay. So, Dada.
10 years too late.
It's nice. I like the color. Normally, I was looking for black.
Yeah.
Huh? This one is okay, right? So I don't know what's this for.
Because it ties on the inside there somewhere. Let's see. So,
Aha. Did you like it?
she knows nothing.
Nangutot si Sophia.
She knows nothing.
Yeah, I know nothing because I don't wear like this. Feel sexy. Oh.
Stop showing your boobs. They're mine. No one else's.
So, agay! I'm still sexy after 12 years.
From about there up. The rest is gone.
Second one. I think it's too big. Ang ganda nito, nakakaputi. Pero parang malaki. Stupid na lang. You like this one? You want to have me?
You're recording. Hey.
You like this one, Dada? So, hindi ko na ipapakita yung yung iba. Wala! Filled yung binili ko. Super laki nila. So, isusuli ko. Tapos yung red sana, wait. I'm going to talk here with my hubby. Okay.
Yeah, hobby B.
So, I'm going to return
Bana.
them. My bana. This one, I like this one. Kaso lang, super big. Super big, yeah. This one is super big. It's large.
Yeah.
Yung size talaga ng H&M is very big. O sige, try to... Oh, it does.
Told ya.
Pwede daw yung
So?
strap.
Told you she knows nothing.
Wala akong mga ganito. Hindi ako nagaganito ng mga damit. Kaya gusto kong i-flash kay Bana para ma-surprise siya. Were you surprised? Were you surprised?
That you buy this?
Yeah, these kinds of things.
Yeah. Won't last long.
Huh? What do you mean will not last long?
You get into the bedroom, it gets ripped off.
But I think... Oh, this one is okay, no, Dada? Of what? Oh, no, it's okay.
Told you. Told you, you could adjust the straps.
Oh,
Don't listen.
ang sarap nito for it's very nice for summer. Shall I get this one?
In the house.
Of course, in the house, or in the hotel. Oh, this one is so sexy. Wait lang, bit. Tinatanong ko siya if it's too daring or not. He will not answer me. Is this one daring? I like this one.
I'm not going to say.
Huh?
We just have to find out.
Over naman. It's nice na this one. This one na lang I'll get. No, but this one. Sexy kasi ito, nakakaputi, oh. See? Ito pala yung isa na binili ko din. Ayan. Ano siya? Shorts. Parang ito, parang wholesome. Wholesome. Pero parang, I think it's so big, Dada. OMG. Parang sobrang laki niya, pero ang ganda. Parang siyang ano.
It's the big belly!
Gani siya. Ito wholesome kasi maputi siya. Ang ganda nito. Dagag kay kontrabida. Basta magpasiksita kay dagang kontrabida na. So, ayun mga lalabs. Pangit yung pagkagawa ko. Kasi si Sophia, wala na akong time talaga na gawin to. Kasi palagi di siya nasa taas. So, yun lang talaga. Parang, hindi ko siya bibilhin. Ito, sana gusto ko. Cute. Kaso lang, medyo malaki yung shorts. Tignan ko sa taas. So, i-end ko na tong vlog natin. Pasensya na kayo. Medyo pangit yung kinalabasan. Kasi kailangan ko siyang isuli. Gagawa tayo ng iba. Ay, nako. Wala akong maisip today. Para akong tanga. As in. So, sige mga lalab. Doon po sa, mga bago dito. Thank you po for subscribing to our channel. And doon po sa mga suki ko, palaging bumabalik. Maraming salamat po.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지